Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. My name is Leela Kalyani. I am from CSE department. Today my topic is changing order of the integration of a double integration. Subject name is mass. Next slide. Evaluate a given equation and hence evaluate the double integration of the given equation. Next, given integration xy dx into dy, given limits x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 1. Next, given y equals to x square to y is equals to 2 minus x, it can be taken as x plus y equals to 2. Next, reason of the integration. Diagram. Diagram of the region of integration. We can take a point A and B as a, we can plot the points A and B, C on the given graph of the parabola. Next slide. Points of the integration. 0 equals to 0, O is equals to 0. In the graph we take an origin as a O and it represent at the point 0, 0, and the equation x square equals to y and y is equals to 2, x are the lines of the given graph of the parabola. X square is equals to 2 minus x. If we take minus x at the right side, it becomes plus x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. If we common the x into x plus 1 equals to 2, then the values of the x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1 and y equals to 1, then the points are 0 equals to 0, 0, a equals to 1, 1 and b equals to 0, 2 and c is equals to 0, 1. Next slide. From the figure, I equals to IOACO plus ICAB plus C are the curves of the given parabola. New limits along the curve OACO. X is equals to 0 to x is equals to root y. Y equals to 0 to y equals to 1 are the new limits of the curve OACO. Next slide. Along the CABC curve, given limits are x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 minus y and y equals to 1 to y equals to 2. Next, if we take the integration given limits to the equation, x is equals to root y integration, limits of the y equals to 0 to 1 and limits of the 0 to root y, xy dx plus dy plus next equation 1 to 2, 0 to 2 minus 1 xy dx into dy. Next slide. If we do the integration to the x, it becomes x square by y to the limits of 0 to root y. Next, dy plus, next also we do the x square for the integration, it becomes x square by 2 to limits 0 to 2 minus 1 dy. Next, y equals to, if we place the root y and 0 limits to into the x square, y minus 2 0 by dy plus y into 2 minus y whole square minus 2 minus 0 dy. Next slide. Y square by 2 to the limit 0 to 1 dy plus half into integration limits 1 to 2y into 4 plus y square minus 4y equal to dy. Half. If we do the integration to the y square by 2, it becomes y cube by 3 to the limits 0 to 1. Next also, if we do the integration to the y plus y square minus 4y, it becomes 4y plus y cube minus 4y. If we do the multiplication with y with the given, if we multiply the y with the 4 plus y square minus 4y dy, it becomes 4y plus y cube minus 4y dy. If we do the integration to the 4y plus y cube minus 4y, it becomes 4y square by 2 plus y power 4 minus 4y square by 3 to the limits 1 to 0, 1 to 2. Next, if we multiply it 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, it becomes 1 by 6. Next, if we 4y square by 2, it cancels 2 to the 4. So 2 square, if we apply the limits in the place of y, it becomes half into 2 into 2 square plus 2 power 4 by 4 minus 32 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 4 by 3. Next, if we do it 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4, 2 square can be converted into 4. 8 2 into 4, it becomes 8. 8 plus 4 minus 2 power 4, 4. 2 power 4, 32. 32 by 4, 16. 16 by 4, 2 power 4, 16. 16 by 4, it can cancel by 4. Minus 32 by 3. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 12 by 12. Next step, 1 by 6 plus 12 minus 32 by 3 minus, if we multiply the minus with the 2 minus 13 by 12, it becomes minus 2 plus 13 by 2. If we take it as, if we minus 2 plus 13 by 12, if we do it means minus 11 by 12 come. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, that is 6 minus 32 by 3 means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. If we multiply 1 by 2 into 4 by 3, it becomes 4 by 12. If we do this all, means 3 by 8 is the answer. Thank you, ma'am.